Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 434th episode and the 11th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some white chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and bursting with flavor. And this recipe is great to make with your kids, great for a cookie swap. And if you're a beginner baker, this is the recipe for you. Everybody will enjoy these cookies. Y'all going to love it, love it, love it. Perfect for the holiday season or any time of the year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist, my cookies recipes playlist, my holiday side dish recipes playlist, and my previous video, gingerbread men cookies. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your butter, and your white chocolate chip sugar, because we're about to bake some white chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl and my sifter, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to sift these together. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have a half a cup each of unsalted butter and margarine that let come to room temperature. That's 2 sticks in total. And in 2 our butter and margarine, we're going to add in 1 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of hot evaporating milk. And mix those in until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add in the flour mixture into the butter mixture. Alright, last of the flour. Continue mixing until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything, and this is what our cookie dough looks like. Perfect. Now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. We're going to add in 2 cups of white chocolate chips and 1 cup of chopped pecans, or you can use walnuts or almonds, or you can leave them out. And fold these in. You can also use milk chocolate, semi-sweet, or dark chocolate chips. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding the pecans and white chocolate chips in. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. We're going to put our cookies in a 9 by 13 inch long cookie sheet that lined with aluminum foil, or you can use parchment paper or grease it with baking spray. So I'm going to take my cookie scoop and then we're just going to scoop them onto the pan. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to put our cookies in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nothing like freshly baked cookies. And you see how nice and golden brown they are around the edges? So now we're going to let them cool on the wire rack for a few minutes. And then I'll put them on my cake stand, give them a taste, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. White chocolate chip cookies. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Soft and chewy. Love that crunch from the pecans. Ain't nothing like chocolate chip cookies. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. White chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.